This is one of the worst nightmares of every homeowner, watching your house burn to the ground together with all your worldly possessions. And worse, this could happen because of a faulty electrical connection that could have been prevented. Well, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a very serious concern, something that affects all of us, especially homeowners. Now, if you think this video is not for you, well, stick around. Because at the end of this video, I will share with you how to calculate the safe electrical load for your home, so you'll never have to fear overloading again. Now, if you think this video is not for you, well, stick around because trust me, you need this information. You may be planning to build a house, maybe renovate your existing home, or maybe even just curious how electricians come up with their designs. So let's get started. This is a story that happens every too often in the Philippines. Families who lost their homes to fire due to faulty electrical connections. Every year, thousands of houses are lost to fire due to faulty wiring, overloaded circuits, and cheap materials. Many homeowners cut costs by hiring unlicensed electricians or skipping proper load calculations. At first, it feels like a small saving, but later it could cost you everything. Imagine saving 10,000 pesos on labor, only to lose a 2 million peso house to a single spark. Now, you might ask, is it really that bad to hire an unlicensed electrician? Well, yes, it's really that bad. You see, hiring an unlicensed electrician is like asking someone without a license to drive you to the hospital. Sure, they might get there eventually, but the chances of getting there safely are very slim. Unlicensed electricians do not have the necessary knowledge and experience to design and install a safe electrical system. They may not know the correct wiring methods, safety codes, or how to properly size the electrical components. This can lead to serious problems such as overloads, short circuits, and even fires. On the other hand, working with a licensed electrician is like having a professional chauffeur. They know the rules of the road and have the skills to handle any situation. Licensed electricians are trained to install electrical systems that are safe, efficient, and up to code. They have the knowledge to select the right components and the experience to handle any problems that may arise. So what are some telltale signs that you've hired an unlicensed electrician? First, they operate with a very low overhead. This means that they can offer their services at a lower price than licensed electricians. However, you get what you pay for. The quality of their workmanship may not be the best and they may use substandard materials. Second, they are hesitant to provide references. If they won't provide you with references, then chances are they are not licensed. Third, they do not have a business license. If they are not registered with the local government, then they are not licensed. Fourth, they cannot pull permits. Electrical permits are required by law, and a licensed electrician will be able to pull the necessary permits for your project. Finally, they are not insured. Without proper insurance, you could be held liable for any accidents or damages that occur during the project. Now, aside from hiring an unlicensed electrician, another common mistake homeowners make is skipping the electrical load calculations. This is the process of determining the electrical requirements for your home based on your lifestyle and the appliances you use. A qualified electrician will be able to perform these calculations and ensure that your electrical system can handle the load. But many homeowners try to do it themselves or hire an electrician who is unqualified to do the job. This can result in an electrical panel that's too small for your needs or an electrical system that's not designed to handle the load. The result is an electrical system that's constantly overloaded, which can lead to fires and other problems. So here are some things to remember to prevent fires caused by overloaded circuits. Always work with licensed electricians. Make sure your electrical plan is signed by an engineer. Invest in quality circuit breakers, correct wire sizes, and load balancing. Avoid octopus connections and insist on proper grounding. These steps don't just protect your appliances, they protect your family. Prevention is always cheaper than rebuilding. So in my next video, I'll show you how to calculate the safe electrical load for your home so you'll never have to fear overloading again. See you in the next video.